Hey, welcome back to another episode of 501 BBQ. The rain finally stopped and we have a beautiful day to do a video for you guys, so thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to show y'all how we grill up a full slab of skin-on salmon and some asparagus. We're going to do this on the Gateway drum smoker. This will be perfect with Valentine's Day right around the corner. Impress your lady, your loved one, whoever it may be, by grilling up this awesome meal. Let's get this thing started. We are going to keep this dish real simple with the seasonings today, but as I said, we do have the skin on. That may intimidate some people, but what that allows you to do is cook on any grill, and that kind of protects the fish from the high heat. And so the first thing we're going to do to get this going is we've just got some, I think this is olive oil. We've just got a little bit, and we're just going to kind of drizzle this on the asparagus. Looks good right there. So we're just going to kind of take them, toss them a little bit, get that oil all over. And so the seasoning we're using today is Fiesta brand Uncle Chris gourmet steak seasoning. I hope you had a pedicure. Manicure. So we're going to take this. This is just kind of a salt, pepper. It's got some herbs in it. It's just a really good all-around seasoning, and I bet you can find this in your local store. So we're going to give it a decent little coat here. Give them another little flip. Come back just a little more. I never really liked asparagus until Kelsey introduced it to me, and now I really like it. So the salmon, we're going to hit it with this same seasoning. You'll see a lot of people put more oil on it, but this fish has enough oil already in the meat that you don't need it. So we're just going to come in, and you can see those herbs in there. Looks good right there. So now we're just going to kind of let this hang out, and this is going to give us a perfect opportunity to get this Gateway drum smoker fired up. So let's get to that. So as you can see, we've already got some charcoal in here from our last cook. That's the good thing about this Royal Oak lump charcoal. Once you get done cooking, you shut the smoker down and you still have usable coals left. So all we're going to do is just kind of give that a shake. And so we've got this sheet pan. It's just a big cookie sheet. And so that we lay that down just to kind of help catch everything. So we are going to take our Royal Oak lump charcoal, and we're just going to kind of put a little more on top. That ought to work right there. We're not going to need much for this cook. It's going to be a fairly short cook time. Now this is ready to go back in the smoker. So we're just going to set it in there, and we've got 2 of the Royal Oak tumbleweed fire starters. We're going to put one kind of on each side and light them up. All right, this Gateway drum smoker is up to temperature. It's running 300 degrees. So you can do this on any grill. Just stay in that 300 to 350 range and you'll be good. As you can see, this salmon is looking very, very good. And so the salmon will take just a little bit longer than the asparagus. So we are going to get it on first. So we're just going to lay this on the side. That is a big old piece of salmon. All right, we're going to get the lid on. And I did bring a timer out here, so we're going to start that where we can let y'all know exactly how long everything has went. So after the salmon's been on probably 5 to 10 minutes, we'll go ahead and put our asparagus on, and hopefully they'll finish at the same time. All right, we've been going for 5 minutes now with this salmon, so we gave it a 5-minute head start. So we're going to take our asparagus now, and we're just going to put it straight on the grate. And this may sound simple, But make sure you lay your asparagus opposite of the way your grates are running, or you might lose some asparagus in the fire. I don't know, it's never happened to me, but somebody once told me that, so don't want you to make the same mistake that they did. Looking good. We're gonna let it go. We'll probably check it here maybe around 15 more minutes, and we'll get back with y'all. The asparagus has been going right at 10 minutes, so we are just gonna kind of come in here, starting to get a little color on it. We're just gonna kind of give them a little roll here. And I will grab this thermopin out of my pocket. We'll check this in the thickest part here. So we're at 113, 114 degrees. We are looking for about 135. And so we still got a little time left. So we will get this lid on. The salmon's been going right at 22 minutes. So we are gonna see what it looks like and see what this internal temperature is doing. It could be done. So let's check this thing out. Been going right at 25 minutes. We're going to check this. 135, 136. That is done. The asparagus is looking amazing. We're just going to get our pan. Want to fall apart. All right. That's what she looks like. She wanted to fall apart on us a little bit, but hey, that's all right. That's where we're going to split it in half anyway. So we're just going to kind of let this hang out on the board, cool down just a little bit, then we'll get back with y'all at the cutting board. We've been letting this set on the board for right at 10 minutes, just to kind of quick cooking, and as you can see, it looks amazing. So just to recap a little bit of what we did before I dig into this, we did start off with a whole slab of salmon with the skin on. We cooked up some asparagus with it. We cooked it on the Gateway drum smoker. We ran it right at 300 degrees with some Royal Oak charcoal. We seasoned them both with this Fiesta brand Uncle Chris steak seasoning. It's just got some good herbs in it, and it's just a good all-around seasoning for fish and the asparagus. Without further ado, let's dig into this. This is my favorite time. I've got the fork here. We did cook this to 135 degrees internal, so it is just kind of, you can tell it's flaky here, and it just separates right from that skin. I know it's probably hard to see, but trust me, it does. So I'm gonna get me some out right here. It just melts in your mouth. That is awesome. So let's go ahead and take this asparagus here, cooked, got a little char on it. Y'all definitely have to give this a shot. We got Valentine's Day coming up right around the corner. I think you'll enjoy it. This fastly became one of my favorite meals thanks to Kelsey. If you like what we're doing here at 501 BBQ, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell beside it so you don't miss any future videos. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at 501 BBQ. Kelsey even has her own Instagram page now, which is 501 BBQ Wifey. I'm not sure what she puts on there, but y'all check it out. And y'all thanks for tuning in, and we'll see y'all next time.